Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing high-quality titanium dioxide pigment and the matching binder for your medium. I recommend linseed oil for oils or acrylic medium for acrylics. Once ready, weigh components precisely. Use 1. 5 parts pigment to 1 part binder by weight as a starting ratio, because titanium dioxide is very strong and needs enough binder to wet the particles. Make sure to work on a clean glass slab, add pigment gradually, and avoid breathing dust. Mix with a spatula until Once you have a paste, refine its texture by grinding on a glass slab with a muller or spatula until there are no dry specks. This improves light scattering and opacity. Then make small adjustments. Add 0, 1 to 0. 3 additional parts binder to reach desired spread and gloss, because too much binder reduces hiding power. Make sure to test by brushing a thin sample, observe opacity, flow, and leveling. If needed, reiterate grinding and tiny binder additions until the finish and coverage match your goal. You complete the paint by straining it through a fine mesh, then bottle it in airtight containers to prevent skinning. Once done, apply final coats and allow full curing. Oils may take days to weeks. Acrylics dry faster. If you notice chalkiness, poor adhesion, or cracking, make sure you use sufficient binder. Add a 0.5 to 1% plasticizer or slightly increase binder and remill to reincorporate. Finally, make sure to test on your intended substrate so color and opacity meet expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.